On my Kawasaki, I upgraded a bulb. Standard headlights on those are 55 and 60 watt or 55 and 60 watt low beam and high beam. When I do a lot of riding, I'm out in a lot of dark roads, and trying to find enough light so you can see and ride safe is always a challenge. So on the Kawasaki, I put a higher wattage bulb in, and on the new bike, the VTX 1800, I found a different bulb I'm going to try to see if it works. Went down to my friends at the local parts store, and we came across, you can't see this, came across these right here. They claim to be a lot brighter, a lot wider, have a lot more throw, and not blinding. So we're going to put them in. I'm riding to work next Sunday. I'm going to try them out on the road and see how they do. So here's how we are changing our bulbs on the 2005 VTX 1800. Change the bulb out. It's not too hard. There's a couple screws inside the headlight assembly. Remove those two screws. The headlight assembly will come out. There's three. That assembly comes out. Remove this clip off the back. They're usually pretty tight connectors. Be careful coming off of them. Be careful not to scratch the paint on the fender. Actually playing with the screwdriver, just getting it a gentle twist. And the connector of the bulb. And try not to damage the light. The bulb is in there. Take this dust cover off. Got this little clip. Real simply push it, detach it, and the old bulb comes out. We're keeping this one because it still works fine. Again, I'm just going to a brighter bulb. Here is the new bulb we're going to put in. One of the most important things to remember: do not ever touch the glass on here. The oil on your hands can damage the bulb. It'll melt and pop. It'll cause it to prematurely fail. Here's the housing. The bulb simply goes in, just like that. Then you put the clip in there, and then this end, you just push until it latches. Make sure it's nice and snug all the way around. This keeps all your weather, your moisture and everything out of there. Take the plug. It's not ever a bad idea to look at it, make sure it's not burnt or cooked or discolored. We had that on one of my other buddies' bikes. We had to replace this plug because it had melted. New bulb. Plugs right in. Make sure he's securely on there, and then it goes back together. There's a clip at the bottom of the light that has to fit in a little groove at the bottom. You'll know when it finds it, it pops right in. And then it's in. You just start your screws. Do not fight the screws, they should start really easy. This should come real easy. If you find yourself fighting it, stop, back out, and start over. It's real easy to cross-thread these things, and you'll run into a lot of problems. The third one, you tighten them all up. So I'll run these all in with my screwdriver and be set. On most motorcycles, including the VTX. And stay tuned. I'm going to have another follow-up video on the performance of this bulb, let you know what I think about it, see if it works well or if there are other bulbs out there. I said the one on the Kawasaki, that one works out really good. It's a higher wattage for your low and your high. It lights up the road really well for me. I'm hoping these will be the same. So stay tuned. I'll have results in that in a bit. Thank you for watching. Any questions or comments, feel free to put those below. If you like this channel, feel free to support it by hitting that like and that subscribe button. Thank you for watching, and always keep the rubber side down.